Hello, my dear lovely students. So, here I am again gonna tell you one more important trick which gonna help you a lot in solving the questions in mathematics. So, are you ready for it? So, let's begin. See, we are going to learn that how we can multiply three-digit number within a minute. So let's begin with the trick, dear. So what we're gonna be doing, we will be multiplying the unit digits. That means the ones digit first. 7 times 3, you will be getting 21. Now multiply 3 times 5 and you will be getting 15. Okay, now what to do with the center digits? So we will be multiplying the left topmost digit with the right bottommost digit. So that is 3 times 3, it's 9. Don't write it down in the answer, just write it down in the other side. Then multiply 7 times 5. You will be getting 35. Now add these two numbers and you will get the answer 44. Now the 44 is going to take place or take the position of the middle values. That is 4, 4. So boom, we are having our final answer. So if you're gonna multiply 307 with 503, your answer is 15. Here we are having 154,421. So I hope that this trick gonna help you a lot. Now I'm going to give you one question. Please give me your answer in the comment box. So here is your question. Multiply 807 with 906. I'm waiting for your answer. Bye bye.